Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. Today I wanted to share with you my winnings from Dee's Creative Hands. I won this in a random draw during one of her shows. I'll leave her link down below so you can come on a Saturday night and share in the fun and a good conversation. And here's the pretty card with all the little birds. And here's the kit that I won. This kit is for Annie's Caring Crochet Club Kit Club. In this package I got 2 skeins of this blue, super soft, 100% acrylic yarn, size 4, 302 yards, and it's 5 ounces. It's shiny as well, so it'll give that sheen of satin cape. That's so pretty cute. Any boy will like that. And it comes with 2 of those, so you're getting 604 yards. And it comes with 2 minis of 50 yards. Nope, sorry, 30 yards. It's 5 ounces, half of an ounce of the white, size 4. And of the yellow, again, size 4, half an ounce. You can wash, you could dry, do not iron, do not bleach. And there you go. And it also came with the Velcro, so you can have the closure. I recently got a kit that did not come with everything you needed, not from Annie's. But I thought this was nice that you even got the Velcro. You don't have to go finding your Velcro anywhere. So that's really nice. You could get this project completely finished and ready to either ship off or give to somebody that would like it, because they enclosed a little message card. Because when you get these kits, you don't have to send them to this company, that shipping address, and they will give it to a child that is sick or in need. I think that's really nice. And I appreciate your time. And I'll see you next time or on the YouTube streets. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and share the video if you liked it. Thanks. Goodbye.